Let's make a braid. So, today we're going to do a tutorial for the victory braid, and I'm going to use a piece of green and a piece of orange ribbon so you can see what I'm doing. First we need to find the length that we need for our mum, and usually I do 3 times the length of the mum, sometimes 4 if I want to have a little bit extra. But right here, I'm looking for the wrong side of the ribbon, which usually is the non-shiny side, and we're going to fold the ribbon in half on both ribbons. Find the wrong side and put the wrong sides together and crease it right there so that way we have a definite center. Clean up my mess here a little bit. I'm in the middle of like 5 different school orders right now, so my desk is a little bit crazy. So we're going to take it and we're going to make a little triangle from our crease. All you do is just fold it down, that way they meet, and make a little triangle, like this, and then staple. That way it stays together and it's easier to handle. Do this on both ribbons also. You just crease it down, you make the edge of the ribbon line up with that crease. That's the easiest way to make a little triangle. I feel like this goes a lot faster whenever I am just doing it. I don't realize how slow I actually am at making this braid. So, from here, you're going to lay the ribbons on top of each other, just like this. And we're going to staple in the top where the 2 ribbons overlap, only the top 2 in the middle, you'll see. Just staple just right there. And the top of the top green ribbon is going to go under the bottom orange, or whatever color you're using. So it's going to go underneath, and then the bottom green is going to go under the top orange, and then over the bottom orange. Like this. Makes like a little, like, checkered board print looking thing. Anyway, then you can take your top left or top right ribbon, go across the back, and it's going to come out the side right here. You can crease it, you can not crease it, it really doesn't matter. But it's going to go across at a diagonal, and then it's going to go over top of your top left green or whatever color you use. Then that same ribbon is going to go back across the back and go over the bottom green ribbon. It's going to go across the back and then over that bottom green ribbon. Basically just weaving it back and forth. And then you're going to take the top left ribbon, which is a green for me. Top left goes across the back. Come on, get it. Across the back. And then at a diagonal, just like before. And it's going to go over top of that top right. Just like that. How many times to nothing? Just like that. Then we're gonna take the green that we just used, and it's gonna go down on the back, and then over top of the bottom left ribbon. And both greens are gonna stick out over here. So then next we're gonna take the top right, which is our orange, top right, across the back, and then over top of the green. You're basically just following the pattern and take it across the back, over top of the green. It's just going back and forth, making sure that both color ribbons end up on the same side when you're done weaving. Sorry for this angle. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to arrange my tripod here in the workshop. Still not completely done with the workshop, but I do have orders I need to get out, so the working on it has kind of been paused so I can actually work on orders. But for the most part, it's functional, so that's all that really matters right now. Mom season is almost over, and then I'll be really able to work on actually getting the shop put back together. But once you're done, you just staple the ends, and then you have your finished braid, and you can